My fellow Americans, good evening. America is going through an unavoidable crisis. We have decided, in order to save our country and its resources, that people who are single are going to be assigned to couple with someone. This will only apply for adults 18 and up, but this will help save countless resources and energy. I know this will be a challenging situation to get through, but we are strong. America is strong.
I can't believe this. Do you deny that this is unconstitutional? I mean, it doesn't even make sense. Overpopulation, people die every day of heart disease, murder, car accidents.
Emily, the thing you need to understand is the reality of the situation. America's in a conundrum, and we desperately need to couple up, or else.
But what if you're coupled up with a serial killer or a sex offender, Rob? What if, in theory, a person gets matched up with no one? I mean, there's bound to be an odd number, right? What happens to that person?
Hey Trey, check her out. Hello? Are you gonna listen to anything I'm saying?
Sorry. What are you saying, Dad?
I was saying, check her out. I think she's been eyeing you all night.
Hello? Hope? What are you staring at? Look over there.
Wow. She's beautiful.
God. Who's gonna think I'm so creepy? Who?
Seriously, dude, go talk to her.
I don't know.
What are you waiting for? All you have to say is,
Why are you taking so long to make a move? Well, you gotta give him a minute.
What are you guys doing over here? The countdown's about to start. Come on.
Well, we gotta go.
No, hold on, wait.
too late, man. She bailed. Don't worry, bro. We'll meet your match soon.
Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
My fellow Americans.
All couples are going to be randomly generated, and you will receive a text message who your partner will be by 12 noon tomorrow. Why haven't I received a text message yet?
Trey, you watching the announcement again?
Sorry, dude.
You'll be fine, dude.
I'm officially freaked out right now. I haven't been matched with anyone.
The government assigned mine a couple of hours ago. She's a total babe. Like that chick on New Year's you totally chickened out on. Tell her to give me a call. You know, for a guy who does acting for a living, I'm surprised you don't have that much confidence in yourself.
Wait. Oh my God. Holy shit. Yeah. The girl from New Year's. She was right there. It's too late.
It's not... I mean, seriously, don't freak out. What are the chances of you being the oddball?
You've matched with Tyler. Hey, baby girl. Mwah. Where do you want me to pull up? We can stay at my place, you know, to get to know each other a little bit better. Winky face.
Baby girl.
Well, at least you have someone.
Baby girl? He spelled winky face.
Do you need a moment?
It's not him.
Oh wow. She's beautiful. No talk to her for.
What are you waiting for?
too late, man.
No, it's not. It's not too late. And after I tell her how I feel.
Just hear me out. Okay, she's the one.
If she's not in this van right now,
my match.
that means she's already been matched. Now stop resisting. Get on your knees, now.
You good, baby girl? You look stressed. I can take it.
It's okay. I'm sorry. You're just not him. I'm so sorry.
Congratulations, Trey. You've been matched.
I should have done this a long time ago.